Hello, students. Let us start a new chapter, Chapter 2 Company Secretary. This is a part 1 Company Secretary. Introduction. So, nowadays we can see Company Secretary is appointed because of multinational companies, because there are a lot of works which have to be done, and it is possible that work can be done by secretary. So secretary is very important to be appointed as per the Companies Act 1986. So company secretary is a special officer in a company. He has to manage all the works very efficiently and effectively. New Company Act, which was done in 2013, it gives a special status to the secretary, that is a company secretary. 5 persons are included in key managerial personnel. We will see. Like first one is managing director. He is a special person. Next, very important is company secretary. He is also a very important person in multinational company. Third person is a chief financial officer. Fourth is a whole time director. A director should be there. Many directors, they only attend the meeting, but it is essential that in multinational company, one of the directors should be a whole time director. And fifth, other officers which are also required for like appointment purpose, human development purpose, human resource purpose, financial purpose, stocks is there. Next is our factory, selling department, accounting department, different departments are there. So for that purpose officers should be there. So according to key managerial personnel in New Company Act 2002, there are 5 important persons. One is director, second is secretary, third is financial officer, fourth is whole time director, and last one is other officers required. And in this we can see company secretary is having a second position. So what are the qualities, what are the qualifications necessary for a company secretary? So there are so many qualities and qualification. We will see one by one. First one is we are talking about qualities. First one is good health. A secretary should have a good health because he is a head over there. He has to work at many levels. He should do hard work. So it is not that he should be getting tired after doing certain time of work. He should be physically fit, he should be mentally fit. This means the first quality of a secretary is that he should have good health. Second quality is that he should be honest, because secretary means maintaining secret. He is knowing each and everything of the company. So it is very important that the secretary should be a honest person. Next, he should be having an attractive personality. The personality should be such that it should be impressive to everyone, because he has to work with shareholders, debenture holders, board of directors, public officers, government officers. So many people are there. So he should have a proper attractive personality. This is a quality of secretary. Next quality is that he should be intelligent. He should be intelligent enough to look all the administrative works, business work, economic work, whatever work is going on in multinational company. The secretary should be highly intelligent so that he can work with his intelligence. He can work effectively and efficiently. Next quality of secretary is that he should have decision power. A person should have a ability that he takes the right decision at right time. If he is not able to take prompt decision, then he is incapable for maintaining the company. So here the secretary should be such that he should be having a decision capacity. He should make prompt decision. Then only the resources can be saved. Next important quality is he should have analytical capacity, because secretary analytical means he should analyze, he should understand whatever is going on, because the secretary, he has to prepare contract, he has to prepare agreements. So he should analyze whatever the problem here, whatever the agreement is there. So secretary should have a capacity to analyze. If he analyze, then only he can take a correct decision. If he is not analyzing properly, there are chances he will take a wrong decision. Next, enthusiasm. Always the secretary should be enthusiastic, should be very energetic to work. He should be not lazy. He should be always an enthusiastic. Whatever the work is there, even though he takes burden, then also he should be enthusiastic person. Next important quality is to be loyalty, because he is maintaining all, he knows all the secrets of the company. So he is a very important person also. He is given the second position. So such a person, if he is not loyal to the company, then he cannot be a correct person. So the person, secretary, should be loyal. He should be having a quality of confidence. He should be always confidence. Whatever the work is he is doing, he should be confident at that, because he has to be answerable to the upper level also and lower level also. If he is a confident person, then whatever the complicated situation is there in front of him, he can manage it properly. Tactfulness means smartness. He should be able to, he should be enough smart that he should know whatever the complication is there, because a smart secretary, he is able to understand fast whatever changes are going taking place, he can understand. So with his tact, with his intelligence, he can manage the situation. Foresight, next quality of secretary. He should be foresight means he should able to predict what will happen in future, so that he can take the decision properly now in present. Many people think of future, that is foresight. So your secretary should also have that quality of foresight. Whatever he, if his, it is not necessary that the foresight should be correct only, but he should have that quality so that he can take decision at present. Leadership, very important. Company secretary should be a responsible officer, and for that he should have a quality that he should do the work, plus he has to make the work done by other people. That's why he should have a quality of leadership. Cooperative person, he should have courage, he should be even able to motivate. So these are the certain qualities of secretary. Thank you.